We're here today at City Hall. This is part of the work that we've been doing with the Mayor of London with their workforce integration program, what we call the Design Lab.
11 leading NHS hospitals and trusts, and all focused on tackling inequalities, the burning platform of our time.
Today happens to be our sector co-creation day, the first time they'll have a chance to meet face-to-face as well as come up with ideas together.
Anytime I come to London, London talks to me. This is, at the heart of it, a humanistic endeavour.
My organisation has been highly focused on creating equal play field for people from all backgrounds. Using the Design Lab, it's helped bring that together in form of a strategy that we could take back to our organisation and share and implement.
Just think about this.
I'm really fortunate to be here today. There's a lot of really innovative work that's happening with the Design Lab, and we've had really inspirational speakers coming today. We are all at different levels, but we are still aiming for the same mission.
So for me, it's about having that opportunity to stretch my thinking, and I think learning from others is most valuable. You know, the nuggets that you get, the insights, new ways of working, new approaches.
The highlight, being coached with these amazing, formidable teams, is just understanding what they're going through. The defiance and the resilience to keep carrying on, I think, is amazing, especially in a cash-strapped society with lots of no's rather than yeses. I think that they've done an amazing job. I've learned a lot from them.